Once I was a great hope for a dynasty. Crowds would hang on my words and they trusted me. The faith was strong, but I've pushed it too far. Held the grudge till it tore me apart. Power went to my head and I couldn't stop. Once alone, tried to help, so I ran them off. And here I sit alone behind pools of regret, falling down like promises that I never kept. And I feel like my castle's crumbling down, and I watch all my bridges burn to the ground. And you don't want to know me, I will just let you down. You don't wanna know me now. My thousand friends watch my ring. I don't know how it could have ended this way. Smoke billows from the ships on the harbor. People look at me like I'm a monster. Now they're screaming at the palace front gate just to chant my name. Now they're screaming that they hate me. Never wanted you to hate me. My castle's crumbling down, and I watch all my bridges burn to the ground. And you don't want to know me, I will just let you down. My castle's crumbling down. Oh.